Hey friends, I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I wanted to talk about something that is actually near and dear to my heart. So, as y'all have been seeing all over the internet, social media, everybody is creating content that's all about what you can do at home. Everything is about how many at-home workout videos have we seen? So many. And cooking new recipes, and trying out different things, and doing online courses, and all these awesome things, which are amazing. I've used some of them as resources, so they're incredible. But I wanted to talk about the days where you wake up and there's absolutely no motivation to do anything. We're at about almost at 2 weeks of being at home and staying at home, and I think we're all kind of feeling this a little bit of waking up and saying, I don't care. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to change. I want to stay in my pajamas all day again. And I just want to eat chips and watch Netflix. And that's it. And then at the end of the day, you feel like a big old bum and like you did absolutely nothing. And your brain is fried just from watching TV all day long. So I just wanted to share some things because this is actually something that I have always dealt with, not just since COVID. I've always dealt with this um, from working at home. So I've been working from home for the past 7 years, and I had this a few times a year, honestly, where I just reached this burnout, and I'd wake up and I'd feel motivated to do absolutely nothing, and I didn't have any desire, I didn't have any drive, and for me, I am all about productivity, efficiency, organization, and I had absolutely nothing. So, what I've learned over the past few years are a couple of things that I wanted to share with you guys because I think we're all reaching that point right now. So I hope that these tips and these things are helpful for you. If they are, feel free to share this and feel free to try it and let me know if they actually worked for you. And so the first thing I do when I wake up and I feel this coming on and I know what's about to happen, and I don't want to be a couch potato, is I actually say, you know what, okay, it's okay that I'm feeling like this. And it's okay that you're feeling like this, okay? You're not the only one. This is not like some new thing. This is actually normal and it's okay. The only thing that is not okay is to stay in this state all day, all right? It's not okay to stay in this state because then it leads to laziness, and then it leads to laziness the next day and the next day, and then we all feel horrible about ourselves. So don't stay in this state, but do embrace and be okay with the fact that it's okay that you're feeling like this, if that makes sense. So after I'm like, okay, I'm feeling like this, it's okay. The next thing I do is actually do something that brings me peace. So a lot of people would actually say do something that motivates you. Like, what is it that motivates you? Well, do that thing. Actually, no. Um, I disagree with this, and I think that you should do something that brings you at peace and brings your mind at peace, because peace lasts a lot longer than motivation. Motivation can last for just a little bit and then go away again. All right, so do something that brings yourself at peace. For me, that would be journaling and having a quiet time reading my Bible, and maybe reading like 15 minutes worth of a book. This always kind of calms me down and brings me at a good foundation and a good level to go from there. So for Nate, his bringing at peace would probably be going outside on his one wheel and exploring the park. So it can be whatever it is for you that kind of calms your mind and brings you to a peaceful level. Do that. Might be playing an instrument, listening to music, making yourself a good cup of coffee, and reading for an hour. Don't put a time limit on this activity that brings you peace. On this thing that brings you peace. Just let it happen for as long as you need it to. And then after I feel like relaxed and calm, I feel okay, then that's when I get up and I get dressed. Even if it's changing from one set of yoga pants to another set of yoga pants, at least you just change. Maybe put a little bit of makeup on, do your hair, and even putting shoes on really helps you just to feel like you are able to and you're capable. And if you need to do something or go somewhere, you're there and you can do it. And then the last thing I want to say about this is sometimes, especially for us who are still working and working at home, is that sometimes you just need to do it and then the motivation will come afterwards. So being disciplined to just sit down. So for me, that would be, you know what, I really don't feel like responding to emails, but I'm gonna sit down and I'm just gonna open my computer. Okay, I at least did one tiny little step to get me closer. And then I'm gonna click on my email button and it's gonna pop open. Respond to one email. Don't say, okay, I'm gonna have to respond to like 30 emails today. No, just start with one and go from there. So whatever that is for you, I really encourage you to just have the mindset that it'll come. Motivation will come. So start with saying, it's okay, I'm feeling like this. Do something that will bring you peace, not motivation, that will bring you peace and get you in a calm mindset. And then just start doing one tiny little thing. And you will see that the motivation will come as you continue to do. We miss you guys. We miss seeing people out and about in Fort Worth. We can't wait to see everybody, and we cannot wait to get back to socializing and seeing our friends. So happy quarantine time, and hope to see you guys really soon.